guys, today we're gonna make beans and I'm gonna make it super easy for you, okay? We're gonna be using small white beans like we have here. They're super small. They're called Frijoles Blancos, white bean. And today I'm gonna use about 2 cups of beans, and we're not gonna make it on the stove. We're gonna do it on an electrical rice maker, okay? So we're gonna need some water. We're gonna need some bay leaf. A small bay leaf will do. I like to use bay leaf when I'm doing white beans to give it a more distinct flavor. We're gonna need some salt, and over here I have a little piece of onion and garlic. So what you want to do first is carefully clean out your beans, because sometimes, you know, there's a little rock in there, sometimes there's not, but you want to be careful and kind of, you know, wash them up real good. And after you do that, we're ready to go. And then we don't want to add the salt now, because in my experience, if I add the salt too early, then it doesn't really catch it. So I've learned to kind of like when they're almost done, then season my beans. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip our switch, cover it up, and then you're ready to go. As you can see here, our beans, our water has been reduced quite a bit. They're still not done yet. They're kind of like, I want to say, woo, about halfway done. So we're gonna go ahead and add more water. All right guys, so we're back. It's been about 40 minutes, okay? And as you see, they're kind of like smushed to your fingers, smooth and creamy. So we're gonna go ahead and add our salt now. All right, and we're gonna add about like a tablespoon of salt. Again, season to your liking, okay? A little bit more. I'm just gonna stir it a little bit and let that hot water dissolve the salt. And we are done. I'm just gonna let it go for about 5 minutes till it reaches a boil, because I did add more water because it had reduced a lot. There you have it, guys. Frijoles de la olla in a rice cooker.